Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us for this week's Travel Tuesday. Today, we're going to be speaking about policy benefits. So, last week we got into the exclusions. This week, it's all about the benefits. Now, similar to last week, all policies do differ with their benefits as well. So, be sure that you read your specific policy prior to traveling to know about your specific benefits that apply to you. Some of the most common questions here: am I covered for ground and air ambulance? I'm hospitalized and need to be flown back to Canada. What happens to my car that I drove down? Is my spouse flown back to Canada if I'm sent home for medical reasons? Are prescription medications covered? What happens if I pass away while traveling? Time to answer these questions now. Alright, so ambulance services are covered. Ground and air ambulance costs are covered in all of the policies that we sell. And a lot of people don't realize this and they purchase extra coverage, particularly for air ambulance services. Sometimes people get great deals on this, but a lot of times you don't need to purchase it. So these rides can be very costly. So if you haven't purchased insurance through us, be sure you're reading your policy, make sure you're covered, or call your insurance provider for more information. And return benefits are included. So if you drove to your trip destination and you're unfortunately sent home for medical reasons, your vehicle's not going to be stranded. All the policies that we sell cover up to a certain dollar amount to bring your vehicle back to your province or territory of residence. And it is a very generous dollar amount, so in most cases it would bring the vehicle back fully. And if you're traveling with a companion or spouse, the insurance company will also fly them home to be with you as well. So, this helps deal with some of the stress and anxiety associated with being sent home unexpectedly. So, let the insurance company tie up those loose ends for you. We want you to focus on your health and getting well. So, next, prescriptions are a benefit. So, if you have an eligible claim for a sickness or injury while traveling and you do require a prescription, this is a benefit under our insurance policies. It's important to differentiate this from a prescription medication for an ongoing medical issue that you forgot at home or misplaced while traveling. That's not a covered expense. So, it has to be due to an eligible claim that you're covered under for your insurance. And repatriation is covered. And this is a question that we do receive more often than you would think. A lot of people are concerned and they do want to know what would happen in the unfortunate event of a death while traveling. And our insurance policies have a repatriation of remains benefit included under the policy. This means that if you pass away while traveling, the insurance company pays up to a certain dollar amount to have your remains returned back to your province or territory of residence. And again, just like the return of vehicle benefit, it is a very generous dollar amount. So in most cases, it would cover the full expense of the repatriation. And we certainly wish you very happy and healthy travels. However, it is good to know what you're covered for so that you can know before you go. Thank you again for stopping by. We're the Travel Insurance Office Incorporated, insuring traveling Canadians since 1991. Check out our great rates and coverage online at travelinsuranceoffice.com or by phone at that number right on your screen. Thank you, have a wonderful week, and I'll see you again soon.